Is everyone a bit in love with themselves? Maybe. Let's find out why that's not all bad. Think about the last time someone really listened to you, felt good, right? That's because deep down we all like to feel important. But here's the twist. This feeling is a key to unlocking better relationships and, yes, even personal growth. So how do you make the most out of our natural narcissism? First, crank up your curiosity about others. When you genuinely want to know what makes people tick, they notice and appreciate it. Next, pay attention to the unsaid stuff, body language and tone. They're like subtitles to what's really being said. And don't forget to dive a bit into someone's backstory. Understanding where they're coming from can change the game in how you relate to them. Lastly, mingle. Interact with folks from walks of life different than your own. It's like cross-training but for your empathy muscles. So, embrace a little narcissism, not to admire your own reflection, but to reflect your understanding back to the world. Trust me, it's a game changer.